Welcome back. In this video we're going to look at inspections. We're going to look at the administration software where the inspection will appear. The inspections come into the Inspections tab. As we can see, there are no inspections in here at the moment. We're now going to do a live inspection on the Inspection app. What you're looking at is a screenshot of my telephone. I'm going to do a live inspection on this. So I click the Construction Inspector app. This is the app that does the on-site inspections on mobile devices. It works on telephones and on iPads, tablets, etc. We are now opening the app. Once you sign into the app and click the yes button, you stay signed in. So I'm just going to log out to show you what happens. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. So simply enter the username. So you've entered the username and password, which is the email address and your password. Click, it's defaulted to no, so click the yes. This will ensure that every time you log into the app after you sign in, you do not have to do the sign in process. It'll go straight to the dashboard area. So we're in our dashboard area and we have 5 survey sections: work to DPC, DPC to roof, roof construction, second fix and completion. Let's do a work to DPC survey. Simply click the work to DPC icon, click again, and the app opens down a list. At the top is the primary information and we'll fill that out. So I'm using my own name for the purposes of this video. So assign certifier or user. The inspection may be by someone different. The job reference number. Once we click in here, when you click into the app, a number pad will appear. So you enter the reference number. This number will correspond to the number of your project. And on this specific project, it's number 107. Number 107 will also appear up in the address bar. Enter the address, the date of the inspection, time. As you can see, automatic time pickers and date pickers and come up. The inspection stage, we'll call this demo stage. The weather, it's cloudy today. You can also enter additional comments on the weather down here in this comment box. If you're accompanied by somebody, you can enter it here. You also have the option of using this status. You may or may not use this. It's pass, fail, re-inspection. We now come down to the question. It starts with excavation. Our first question is approved plans on site. We have some pre-filled text in the drop down. What we're going to do is select contractor using approved plans. We also enter some text into the text box. So we've entered some pre-filled text which is here, and we've also entered text into the text box. Let's add an image. When we click the add image button, you can cancel, import a photo from your device, or take a new photo. We've taken a photograph in the office here. The photograph has been added. We click OK and the icon of the photograph appears here. Let's go down to another question. Site access. Contractor has provided safe and adequate access. So we've entered some text here. See picture and access complete, and we'll add another picture. Take a new photograph. Click OK and the thumbnail image is added here. We can continue on. There's a number of questions and of various stages of work to DPC all the way through. Towards the end of the inspection, we get a general information section where you add 3 questions. You may or may not add these. There's a general comment text box, an assigned certifier comment text box, and a builder client comments text box. We'll enter some text in here. So we've entered some text. We've entered 1 line of text. We've entered 2 lines here. Simply press the return button to drop down on the lines, and we've entered some text here as well. Scroll down to the bottom of the app and we come to the sync button. Simply press the sync button and it says, do you really want to sync with the server? Click OK, and in that short space of time the survey has been submitted successfully. This is done with a connection to the Wi-Fi. However, with connections to 3G and 4G, the connection is quite quick. In a situation where there is no internet connection and you press the sync button, you'll be asked, do you really want to sync with the server? And say yes. And you'll receive a message. It seems you are not connected with the internet. Your survey details are being saved locally. You need to resync while the internet is available. So click OK. What this means is that the survey has been saved on your device. When you get an internet connection, simply go to the app, open any of the surveys, go to the resync button and click resync, and your survey will be submitted. We now go back to the administration software. As we can see, there's still no inspection in here. Simply press the refresh button. And at all times, if nothing appears in the administration software, try the refresh button. Go to our inspection and there we have work to DPC level, demo stage, let's view the detail. So this is the detail that you enter when you're logging the project. This detail here is the primary information that we enter as we open the app, the top section of the app. And then these are the questions that the excavation here, approved plans on site. This is the pre-fill text that we used, the answer, and we also entered see pictures and foreman on site. And this is the site access. We also entered some text here, and we can see then in the general comments area, we've added a general comment, we've added 2 comments in the assigned certifier comment, and the builder client comment, 1 comment. The pictures appear here, and you can actually look at them by clicking the icon of the picture and either pressing escape or X out of it. So that's looking at it in a web browser. You can edit, simply click here, check the boxes that you want to edit, and we call this demo stage number 1. Click outside the text box to save it, return, and we look at our detail here, and it's demo stage number 1. It's changed already. Then we can create a PDF. Simply press the PDF button. What the software is now doing, it's creating 2 copies. One copy is saved onto the computer down here. This is PDF created copy of the report right after you sync it. Your heading is up here, the main detail, the primary information, and the questions. So a nice neat copy of the report is created with the pictures here on the right hand side. What also has happened is the software has sent a copy to the docs section. If we look at the docs section, we can't see it. Press the refresh button again. Look into our docs section, and there we have our survey, work to DPC level, and there we can have a look at it again, exactly the same as we've just looked at. Now let's forward this. Again, we just have one contact in our contact section here. So we've put a name on it, send this document. Again, we're asked, are you sure you want to send it? Check that the details and that the email is correct. Click submit. We now return to the project here. So I'm now checking my email. Here we've got a document from the BCR website, demo stage report that we've just written. We can download the PDF here, we can view the file, and here we see the report in PDF format and download to the computer. So you can see very easily we can do an on-site inspection on a mobile device, sync it with the back-end administration system where a report is created automatically, and you can save it as a PDF, send it to the docs section where you can forward it to any of your stakeholders. That's the overview of the inspections in buildingcontrolregister.ie. Thank you.